In this video, you will learn about regular expressions in MongoDB. We will explore how to use regular expression patterns for flexible string matching in queries. Regular expressions provide a powerful way to search for and manipulate text within your MongoDB databases. So, what exactly are regular expressions? Regular expressions are powerful patterns used to match and manipulate text strings with flexible search criteria. These patterns allow you to define rules for finding specific sequences of characters within text, making it easier to perform complex searches and data validation. MongoDB offers two primary ways to use regular expressions in your queries. The first method is using the $regex operator. You specify the field you want to search, then use the $regex operator followed by the pattern and any flags you want to apply. The second method is direct pattern matching. You can directly provide the regular expression pattern with flags as the value for the field you're querying. Regular expression flags modify the behavior of the pattern matching. Let us see some common flags. The I flag makes the search case insensitive, meaning it will match both uppercase and lowercase letters. The M flag enables multiline mode, which treats the start and end characters, that is the caret and dollar symbols, as the beginning or end of each line within the string, rather than the beginning or end of the entire string. The S flag, known as dotAll, allows the dot character to match new line characters as well. Finally, the X flag enables extended mode, which ignores white space and comments within the regular expression pattern itself. Let's look at some basic pattern examples. To find users whose name starts with John, you would use the $John /I. The caret indicates the beginning of the string. The I flag makes the search case insensitive, so it will match John, 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 and so on. To find users whose email ends with .com, you would use $.com$I. The $sign indicates the end of the string and backslash is used to literally match a dot. Again, the I flag ensures case-insensitive matching. Let's explore some advanced pattern matching techniques. To find products whose description contains either the word laptop or computer, you would use /laptop pipe symbol computer /I. The pipe symbol acts as an OR operator, matching either of the specified words. To find orders with exactly 6 digits in the order number, you would use /caret\D opening curly brace 6 closing curly brace $sign/. \D represents any digit, and opening curly brace 6 closing curly brace specifies that we want exactly 6 digits. The caret and $sign ensure that the entire string consists of 6 digits and nothing else. When working with regular expressions in MongoDB, it's important to consider performance. For better regular expression performance on large collections, create text indexes. Also, use the caret symbol at the beginning for faster prefix matching. Here are a couple of complete examples to illustrate how to use regular expressions in MongoDB queries. The first query finds users with Gmail addresses by using a regular expression that checks for the standard email format, ending with @gmail.com. The second query finds products containing the word phone in their name, using a simple case-insensitive search. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.